Welcome to the snowy mountains of Norway. My name is Marcus and I'm a mountain guide and avalanche expert. I'm going to walk you through a few steps to make your stay as safe and memorable as possible. When skiing in our mountains, you're responsible for your own safety. Therefore, you must be prepared. You don't want any surprises. Norwegian mountains are great for skiing, but along with the nice mountains and the nice snow, there's the danger of avalanches. Make sure that your group is able to handle the current conditions. Start planning your trip at the avalanche forecast at vasom.no. Some avalanche problems, like this wind slab, are easy to recognize. You can see the waves and the snow. On the other end of the scale, you have persistent weak layers. In situations where you have this avalanche problem, I recommend that you do really conservative route selection. I also recommend that you download an app called Regops. On Regops, you can see avalanche and snow information from others. You can share your own observations, and you can download an offline inclination map, which is very useful when traveling in avalanche terrain. Weather conditions may vary locally. There can be huge differences between the weather at the coast and in the inland. So make sure that you check the weather forecast for the area that you're going to, not only where you're staying. Your group should be able to handle any weather you might face on your outing. Weather information can be found on yr.no. To make your stay as safe and memorable as possible, I recommend that you use a certified guide who knows the local conditions well. Windy conditions can make your trip a lot tougher. Even small amounts of wind can be really exhausting to travel in. And during the winter, large cornices might form. It can be very tempting to step out on a cornice. Don't do that. They collapse without a warning, and you don't want to stand on top of them when they do. For your own safety, you should carry a probe, a shovel. In addition, I always carry a first aid kit and a bivy bag. I recommend that you always wear a transceiver. The transceiver should be covered by one piece of clothing in case you get caught by an avalanche. This might be ripped off. You could check out our packing list where we go through all the different items that we recommend that you carry along. The emergency number in Norway is 112. Don't hesitate in case you are in trouble. On the other hand, there might not be cell coverage in the area where you are, so you and your group must be able to handle the situation on your own. If you respect nature and follow our advice, you'll have a great ski trip here in Norway. Help us keep nature clean and bring your waste back with you. Norway is a place where you earn your turns. Skin up and ski down. Have a safe trip.